Hey, what's up you guys? Today I got to travel to Mauna Kea on the Big Island in Hawaii. Mauna Kea is a dormant volcano measuring at 13,796 feet above sea level, but when measured from the oceanic base, it's actually more than 33,000 feet tall. That's bigger than Mount Everest. Mauna Kea immediately interested me because of this fact, but when I arrived on the island, I learned a lot more about what was going on there than I expected. Due to its conditions, the top of Mauna Kea is actually one of the best sites in the world for astronomical observation. It currently has 13 different telescopes on top from 11 different countries. They plan on building the world's largest and most powerful telescope on top as well, as our technology has advanced a lot since the previous ones were built. But this would involve blowing a hole 30 meters deep into the land. Mauna Kea is actually very sacred land for many native Hawaiians, so they set up protests to block off the main access road to the top of the mountain. Today, I walked around the protest site and saw people happy to protect their land and people performing ceremonial dances. It was nice getting to learn about why this mountain means so much to them. As someone that also finds the mountains a very sacred place, it was really nice to see so many people get together to defend something that they really love. I will catch you guys on the next one.